Are you passionate about exploring the unseen world of microbes? Are you ready to make groundbreaking discoveries in microbiology? The Department of Industrial Microbiology invites applications for bachelor's and master's of science programs in microbiology. Join a research-intensive department that pioneers advancements in infectious diseases, antibiotic resistance, probiotics, bioremediation, and much more. Why choose us? Cutting-edge research and hands-on training. Exciting career opportunities in research, academia, industry, and entrepreneurship. Strong industry collaborations and innovation-driven learning. A vibrant society of microbiologists to connect, grow, and excel. Shape your future with us. Where science meets innovation. Admissions open now. Apply today and take the first step towards an exciting microbiology career. For more details, visit our website or connect with us with the details given on the screen. Department of Industrial Microbiology, inspiring the scientists of tomorrow.